Hey guys, I've got lots of you asking me about which videos and courses I've watched while learning C Sharp and pixel art. I'm actually a bit overwhelmed with all this attention. A week ago I had barely 1000 subscribers and most of them were just in my 3D tutorials or videos which I make for my actual job or just for fun. And now I've got almost 4000 subscribers. Crazy. So in this video I'm gonna show you which courses I watched while learning Unity and C Sharp and of course pixel art. So let's go to udemy.com and I'm gonna show you first course which I find really good. Learn to code by making a 2D platformer in Unity. This course is just great. Don't get me wrong, I'm not getting paid by advertising or promoting any of these courses. I don't get any benefit from it. I think it's very good courses for the newbies like me. So I really enjoyed following it to the very end. And this guy, instructor, he does a very good job in explaining everything. It's super easy and detailed. And maybe it's a bit outdated as today's most recent version of Unity is 2019. And in this course, I guess covered version 5.3, which was like 2 years ago or something. But still the basics for sure are the same for all the versions. I mean, some of the things are different, but still you can learn a lot of things just watching that. Another course which helps to improve your platformer game, adding some cool features, was this one. Improve your game design with better gameplay. So same guy, really love the way he teaches, so he explained everything there too. Then I checked this course, make a Unity 2D physics game for beginners. It covers the Unity engine physics, which is quite important too because you use it a lot in your games. I mean, not in all of the games, but for example, in mine, I used physics a lot. I've also checked this one, complete C Sharp Unity Developer 3D, learn to code making games. In this one, these two guys talk about various genres of games. I've done first-person shooter and tower defense game with those ones. I didn't finish the whole course, but I just wanted to check those genres. So I guess these ones, they were the most informative for me, and now I want to talk about the pixel art. So for this, I've done only one video course, pixel art for video games, and also checked some of the videos of this guy Artalaski. It is in Russian, but I guess you can get the idea just watching how this guy does what he does, and it's pretty cool. I guess this is it. Later, I've also done some other courses, but not fully, just like some specific topics. For example, I've done a master in 2D vectors for Unity game development, which just basically explains you how to deal with vectors, and like because it's very important for the movement of different objects in the game. So it helped a lot, but it's not necessary because anyway, in all of the previous courses you get some information about vectors too. So when I finished following those tutorials, I've started making my own stuff using techniques I learned, and also when I had some troubles implementing some features, I was using this amazing website, which is Stack Overflow. If I had some troubles or I didn't know how to do or implement some things, I was just checking what people are writing there and getting some answers to my questions. And also another thing is very cool is answersunity.com. So it's pretty the same thing, but it's related only to Unity. So those were super useful. And I guess that's pretty much it. As a base, I think it's super good for a beginner. Even though I cannot say I'm a good developer or like a decent one or whatever, as solutions that I use in my game are super simple, but they still do work, which I think for my project, because I was working on my project on my own, so I didn't have to deal with any other like team members. For me, it works perfectly. But if you're a team, yeah, of course, it's better to make better code. Thanks guys for watching this video and for your comments. I'm working on game design document for my prequel game, and I'm gonna finish it next week, and I release the video talking about that very soon, so hopefully it's gonna be useful for you because some of you were asking about that too. I still remember about that, so don't worry, and thank you, bye.